Hi everyone! This is Group B and we're excited to share the valuable takeaways from our recent 5-day basic training course for dairy farm workers. This is the run-through of our activities.
I had also the opportunity to attend a meaningful and hands-on training at UPLB Dairy Training and Research Institute titled Training for Health, Growth, and Productivity, Practical Dairy Nutrition, Feed Production, and Forage Systems for Philippine Dairy Farms. This enriching experience deepened my understanding of sustainable dairy farming through insightful discussions, led by brilliant speakers, engaging laboratory activities, and hands-on training in feed formulation and forage systems. The sessions emphasized practical, cost-efficient strategies using locally available resources to improve animal health and productivity. Beyond the academics, the training was filled with strong camaraderie, enthusiastic participants, and overflowing food, including delicious yogurt, ice cream, and fresh milk. of the most exciting highlights was our final defense, where my groupmates and I presented our instant cooperative before a panel of brilliant evaluators. It was both challenging and fulfilling, made even more memorable as we proudly presented our output showcasing teamwork, creativity, and shared learning. Grateful to UPLB Dairy Training and Research Institute, Alaska Milk Corporation, Embassy of the Kingdom of the Netherlands in the Philippines, and to D. Bessa Mescat for making this successful training possible. And we joyfully sang our unity song, If We Hold On Together, a heartfelt moment that beautifully captured our shared journey, strengthened our bond, and reminded us that through unity, perseverance, and collective purpose, we can overcome challenges